Hello, all. Good evening. So myself Pradeep, and I am your Abap and HANA trainer, and I have 13 plus years of experience in SAP. I work in multiple MNCs as a consultant, senior consultant, and then team leader, and now managing the team. Okay, so I have 13 plus years of experience in SAP Abap, HANA, and interfaces. So I'm going to teach you on from the scratch on how the Abap works and what is meant by SAP everything in this training. Okay, so those who have some knowledge in SAP. Okay, today I'm taking the basic class. Okay, how to log into SAP and how to go to the T code screen, how to enter the T code, what is that syntax check, all those things. So those who have experience in SAP, you can just look on it. I'm taking this for the freshers. Okay, the freshers doesn't know how to log in all those things, right? So I'm going to teach them from the scratch. Those okay, so freshers can just look into it. That's it. Okay, and those who are experienced can just leave it because you already know how to log in and T code and all. Okay. So as I already told you in the demonstration itself, like SAP Abap is not that much complex at all. It's a very, very easy language in which everyone can able to learn it. Okay. In this training, we are going to learn about from the scratch. It's a 40 to 45 days training program. So we are going to learn Abap from the scratch. Okay. From what is SAP and how it has got migrated from SAP, ECC to HANA, all those things. And also coding part. Initially, we are learning the coding in ECC. After that, we are learning the coding in HANA. Okay. So in this 45 days, we are learning basic concept of ABAP, ERP, how we are writing the program, all the do and do statement, while statement, loop statement, what is the good performance, how to print some numbers from 1 to 20, 1 to 100, 1 to 10,000. So day one, day two, we'll be covering that. After that, we are creating some tables, lock object, search help, what is the relationship between two tables, what is primary key, how we can join two tables, all those things we are going to learn. Okay. After that, report. Report is nothing but classical reporting, like how to fetch the data from the table, what is maybe internal table, what is work area, how we are doing it, how we are taking the data and populating the output, all those things. Okay. And then it's called modularization. What is meant by modularization? Modularization is nothing but we are dividing the packets, we are dividing the program into some packet form, okay, which means it can be reusable. If you want to reuse the program in multiple programs, you can do modularization. And also inside the same program also, you can do some modularization so that it will be a user understandable format. Okay, that is for that only we are going for modularization. And then forms. I heard some of them from Pico, right? So it's forms is nothing but if you want to print some invoices, basically, right? If you're buying some thing in the Amazon, you will get the product along with the printed form. Okay. So they have your address, sender address, and the product details, product count, amount, all those things. Okay. So that we can print using forms. And then over concept. Over concept, nothing but object-oriented programming. Okay, nowadays we are using object-oriented programming only of the coding for ALV and capturing the exceptions, taking the data. We can go for object-oriented programming. And migration. Migration is nothing but transferring the data from one place to another place, which means taking the data from SAP to third party or third party to SAP. Okay. And then enhancement, enhancing the standard functionality of the ABAP program. Transport, how we are transporting the data from one server, transferring the program. Okay, transport the program from development to quality and then quality to production. Okay, I will tell that later. I'm just giving a quick overview of this one. Okay, I'll share this document to you and then I will explain in detail later. Just I'm giving you a quick overview. SAP notes, and then Fury and OData. Okay. And then you will be having some examinations. Every week you will be having examinations. This is conducted by me, theory as well as practical. Okay. So this is how our plan is. Okay. Okay. Do you all
Yes,
have the SAP access? Those who has a fresher? Yes, workflow also covered, Anu. I think I missed that. Workflow also will be covered. Do you all have access to SAP screen? Do you have any server, SAP server? Those who joined as a fresher? Yes or no? Okay.
No, we don't use.
Okay. Try to get the SAP server. The learning team will be helping you with get the SAP server. Okay. Yes. If you want BOPF, yes, we can. Okay. Fine. So I will tell you how to, once you got the server, once you got the VMware, I mean the remote server access, you have to log into, this is for freshers, okay? You have to log into the SAP system. How you have to log into SAP system? Just double click on this and then they have already added you the system details, okay? They have added the system details. Here you can double click and log in. Or else, if you don't have anything, empty is here means you have to create on your own. Okay, and create on your own by giving the application server, instance number, system ID that will be provided by the SAP team. Okay, you will get the details. You just add it. Okay, so but for this training, you will be already have the SAP server with the S4 HANA system. Okay, so just double click on it. Once you double click on it, it will ask for the username and the password. Give the username. Username and password will be mailed to you by the SAP learning team. Okay, they will be giving you the username and password. Just click on that and then give the username and then the corresponding password. Before that, you'll be having a client number. Okay, what is meant by client number? We have n number of client number for the same system. Okay, this is the development system with client 100. Similarly, I can have the development system with client 200. Okay, I will tell in detail about what is the relationship between the clients and how we are using it. Okay, you came to know about that. Okay, yeah. So just log on. Once you logged in, you will get this screen. Okay, listen carefully. The freshers can listen very carefully. So in this screen, you have a small box. This is called as T code screen where you have to enter the T code. Okay, you have to enter the T code. What is T code? Okay, so T code is nothing but the transaction code which is used to navigate to the different screens in SAP. As a Abap developer, you have to go to multiple T codes like SC38, SC24, SC37. Similarly, we have some T codes. Same like that, we have MMT code, SDT code, FICO T code. They will go to that T code and do their work. Okay. So we have n number of T codes for certain consultants. Okay. So as a ABAP, we have to go to some certain T codes. Let's start today with the Hello program. Okay. Every day, every training first program will be Hello program, right? So we'll start it with Hello program. So just enter the T code SE3838. Note it down. This is the T code screen. So in this T code screen, I have given SC38. After that, I got this window. Okay, here I'm going to create the program. So listen carefully. We have to create the program with uh, Z R Y only. The starting letter should always be Z R Y only. Why should I not give? Why I was not giving other letters A, B, C? I'm not going to give you anything. If I give means it will not allow me. Why? Right answer for this one. See, I can able to give only Z or Y only. I was not allowed to create any program with A, B, C, D, anything as a prefix. Why? Right answer. Any idea? You have any idea? Anyone have any idea on that? Yes, correct. Correct, Vengat. So, see, this entire SAP screen is run via Abap only. At the backend system, you have Abap only. This screen has been created by some designer. This program, this checkbox, this push button, everything has been created by some designer. Who is the designer? He is the person who's created this SAP screen. Okay. So this software has been designed by the SAP person with the standard name, which is from A to except Z and Y, they have created a program. Okay. I'm taking some program. See, this is a standard program. Okay. This is a standard program. No, it's include. Okay. Function group. Okay. No problem. So if I want to create the program, what I have to do, I have to give Z or Y. So Z, and then we have to follow some naming standard for what purpose we are creating it. Okay. So I'm giving some name. Maybe as of now, you can give your name underscore today's date so that you can take all the data.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Based on your training days. Okay. After that, click on create. Okay. It asks for title. So you can give a valid title. Always give some valid title. Okay. So I'm giving you a demo today. So I'm giving as a demo program. From when you are creating, I'm asking you to add two numbers. If for example, I'm asking you to add two numbers means you have to give the title as addition of numbers. I'm asking you to take some data from EKKO table means data from EKKO. Something like that you have to specify in the title so that everyone can easily understand. Okay. And then click on this executable program. What we have n number of options here. I will tell that later. What is the purpose of all those things? I am giving here executable program. What is meant by executable program? Executable program means I can able to execute this program and get the output. I repeat, executable program means I can able to execute the program here and get the output. That is called executable program. And then save it. Here it asks for the package. Okay. So tomorrow, after 2 days, we will create the package. As of now, we will store it as a local object. I will tell what is difference between package and local object after 2 days. Okay. As of now, you can save it as a local object. Local object is nothing but a rough note. It is like a rough note. Okay. Yeah. So now I am going to create my program. Okay. So I'm going to write hello world. Hello world is my program, my first Abap program. Okay. So Abap coding is nothing but, see, if you want to communicate with someone, means you are communicating with them in English so that that person can understand and respond to you back. Similarly, if you want to communicate with SAP, you want to communicate with Abap. Okay, if you want to communicate means you have to communicate with Abap. Okay, I'll give a BOPF, no problem. Okay, you have to communicate with Abap. In SAP, if you want to communicate means Abap, via Abap only you are going to speak with SAP. That's it. Only thing is you're going to speak with SAP using Abap. That's it. Okay. So what I am telling you, I want to print hello world. So I'm going to tell SAP, please print hello world. It is an English word. Please print hello world. It is an English word. Technically, how we can tell to SAP is right. So this is called technically we are doing that. Okay. We have to give the command right. So which are all in the blue color is termed as Abap command. Please note it down. Everyone, please note it down. Which are all written in the blue color is called Abap command, and which are all written within the single quotes, which are written inside a single quotes, is termed as user command. It will be in green color. You can type anything here. You can type anything here. It won't throw any error at all. But if I type something extra here, it will throw the error. Already see color has been changed. Okay. So you have to always follow the Abap command. Okay. So write this colon is for writing the continuing the statement. This slash is for if you want to give. I will tell what is the difference of giving this slash. Okay. I'm giving this one. So I have written my first program, Hello World. Okay. The thumb rule, everyone should do this. Okay. This is the thumb rule. Okay. After completing the program, you have to follow the 4 steps. That is the thumb rule. Everyone should note it down. Okay. If you change the process, means it won't work, and also it leaves some issues for you. Okay. Thumb rule 1, save. Thumb rule 2, syntax check. 3, activate. Here you can see a program in active. 4, execute. I got my output. I repeat again, save, syntax check, activate, execute. Okay, this is the process we have to follow. Please note it down. So this is the T code screen. Here you have a small icon. This is called save. Here, if you want to come back, you can click on this one to come back of the screen. Okay. See, this program is already created. So I am going to give us a change. Okay. Because I was already created this one. Okay. This is for cancel, exit, and then cancel. Okay, exit and cancel. And here we have many options. As of now, concentrate on these three. Okay, these three is very important. The many things like enhancement, all those things. Also, before saving, you can give pretty printer. Pretty printer, why we are get pretty printer means it will format something correctly. Okay, for example, see the right statement in small letter. Right statement in small letter. Listen carefully. If the right statement is small letter. If I give pretty printer, it arranges into capital letter, which means it will automatically arrange the SAP standard functionality in neat. Look wise, it will be good. That's it. There is no use of it. Just it will arrange it clearly. That's it. Okay. Any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt?
Hi, Pradeep.
Yes.
I hope this is the codes which we can write is not case sensitive, you know.
Yeah, it's not case sensitive.
Yeah. Okay.
Very good. Any other doubt? Okay. Okay. So I'm removing the full stop. Okay. See, thing is very important. At the end, you should complete everything with full stop only. Okay. If you're completing a program, if you're completing something, if you're not completing, you have to give comma. If you're completing means you have to give full stop. Okay. So I have given full stop. I forgot to give full stop. Okay, I have forgot to give the full stop. Then I'm following the thumb rule. Save, syntax check. Here it will throw the error message. In the line number 8, you forgot to give the full stop. So it is giving us the last statement, period missing. Period is nothing but full stop, end of the thing. Then you have to give the full stop again and then save, syntax check, and activate. You have to follow the steps. Okay, this first step is very important. If you are without saving, don't go for activate. Without syntax check, don't go for activate. Just do this step. Save, syntax check, activate, and execute. Okay, this is very important. Okay, instead of Abap command, I forgot to give E. Okay, then I'm checking the syntax. It will do write is not expected. It should be a write, WRITE. Okay, it will throw the same line number 8. WRIT is not expected. It should be WRITE. So we have to give right. I give this in small letter. See, I have given E in this small letter. If I give pretty printer, it will automatically arrange it in the certain format and then activate. Okay. See, I am getting hello world 2 in the output. Okay. I'm not giving this slash at all. I'm not giving this slash at all. Then guess what will be the output? There's a small change in the output. Just guess it. Just guess it. I have removed the slash. I removed the slash. Just guess it. Yeah. What will be the output? Just guess it. If it will come in one line. Yeah. Hello, who is that? Okay. Let's see. It's come in one line. Is it coming in one line? Yes, very good. That's the correct answer. So I'm giving 10 points to Shyam. Okay. From next classes onwards, I will be having an Excel sheet with your name and giving the points also. Okay. Yeah, very good. So if you give slash means it will come in the next line. That is the purpose of slash. This space and all, that's not at all problem. Space won't cause any issue. But it should have one space at least. Okay, one space at least. After that, you can give n number of space. That's not the problem. At least one space is required. Okay. Is it clear? Is this clear? Any doubt? Is this clear or not clear? Okay. Let's go to next topic. I mean, next command. We'll go to next command. Okay. What's today's date? See, if you're not giving correctly means you can see the red colored, this red color, which means you are not giving something correctly. Okay. If you see that colored means you can able to find out, yes, I am giving something wrong. Okay. So what is the output I'm getting? 6, 17, 20, 24, which means today's date, today's month, and this year. If I execute this program tomorrow, okay. Okay, today date 6, 17, 20, 24. If I execute this program tomorrow, do you think this program is correct? Tomorrow, what will be the date? 18th, right? Tomorrow, what will be the date? 18th, right? You should show 18th. It should show 18th. So, do you think this program will show 18th? Yes or no?
No.
Why? If it is no, why? Yeah. No is the correct answer. Please try to answer. Just give some idea. See, Abap is not that much complex. It's like playing the remote video game. That's it. You can play with Abap. Okay, it's not at all. It's like play. If you're writing the Abap program, it's nothing but you're playing with SAP. That's it. It's not at all complex. It's like a video game. According to me, it's like a video game play only. Okay, so it will be very fun and easy to learn Abap. Okay, so you said no. Then there will be some solution for it. Am I right? Okay, see, you said no because what are the things which are in green color, which is between the single quotes, then it is called a user command, right? It is a user command. So it is coming in the green color and it will give that. What is that? It will give that only. That's it. So I don't want to give this one. I want to take the data. I want to take something from the SAP itself. Okay. So for that, we have one thing called, please note it down. For that, we have one thing called system variable. System variable. See, you got one today's, it will automatically came today's date as 17/6/2024 because I have not given anything. It is taken from the system variable. It is taken from the system variable. Okay. So sy-datum. So where should I see this? Where should I get this datum? I don't see. I am new to Abap. I don't know how to give. Then how to find out that I should give datum? If I want time, what should I give? I don't know anything. How to do that? So to do that, you have to go to the structure called SYST. That structure will hold all the data. Okay. For example, see, if you are cooking, if you are planning for cooking means you don't know where the salt is, you don't know where the pulses are, where the rice is. So how do you know? They will keep it in some order in the kitchen so that a new user coming there, which means new person is going to cook means they can see it and then use it. Okay. If you don't know means instead of salt, you can put sugar. Instead of sugar, if I'm asking you the coffee, you'll put some salt and give it to me. That may happen, right? So how to check all those things means you have to go to the T code. We have one more T code called SE11. Okay, this is my SAP screen and I want to go to another screen. This is SAP editor, Abap editor screen. I want another screen called SE11. If I give directly SE11, it will not work. It throw the message as function code SE11 is not supported. Listen carefully. Many of them will do this. SE11, it will not work. So how to go means you have to give /o. /o is nothing but create another screen. If I give /n means it will replace the existing screen. I repeat, if you give /o means it will create another screen. If I give /n means it will replace the existing screen. Okay, I'm giving /o and SE11. Here I will tell you about this data dictionary later. It is a big topic in which we have to cover it. I will tell you about this later. As of now, just give SYST system variable structure and give display. That's all. Then how to find out? Yeah, you have to give Control F. Search means Control F. Give DATE. It will get all the date related things. Don't take anything absolute. Absolute means it's not in use. Okay. So datum. Before datum, you have to give SY. SY is nothing but reference to this structure. SY datum. Listen carefully. SY datum, which means it is the current date of application server. Application server is nothing but a SAP server date and time. Okay. If you are in UK, if you are in Germany, based on your timing, it will change it. Okay. Okay. So this is the username, which user it has been created. I logged in with some username, right? My username, right? That is the thing. Okay. I want time now. Okay, I want time now. Can anyone tell me which field I can take? Can anyone tell me which field I can take? So date means current date. So time, tell me. That is not application server time. Yes, we can use it, but that is not application server. But here we have the time. In this screen, you can able to see. In this screen, you have to say, tell and get 5 points. Tell and get 5 points. It is there in the screen only. It is there in this screen only.
It's UZEIT.
Yeah, very
UZEIT.
good. UZIT. Very good. Excellent. Very good. So this is the current time of application server. You can just see in the right hand side of the short description and then you can take it. Very good. Okay. So I want this one means I'm copying this one, going to my SAP screen. and giving as always give psi. Okay, psi is nothing but system variable. Okay, give pretty printer, save, syntax check, activate, execute. That's all. You can able to get the system variables. Okay, whenever user, for example, your client is asking, please take your user ID, please take your date and time, please take some page number, means just come and see the structure and use it. Okay, we have user ID here. If you want the don't take absolute. Okay, absolute is nothing but which is not in use. Okay, so we have lots of things here. So what are the things you want? If it is taking from runtime, okay, something is taking from runtime, you can just come here and take it. This is called system variable, SYST. Is it clear?
So Pradeep, the ones apart from the absolute one, there are someone's mentioned as internal use. So
Yes.
what is the use of it? Is it for
Yeah, internal use is nothing but within this SAP use, you can use it, no problem. We can use that also. That's not the problem.
okay. So all these are related to the system dates, times, and all that
Yeah.
current. Okay, very good.
Page number, index, tab X, all those things. If you tab, what is meant by tab X, which means
Tabs.
internal. Other, when we have internal table, we have some data, means I will tell this later because tab X listen and all, it will be little bit advanced.
Okay.
Okay.
And
So
this SYST is always we call it as a structure, not as a table.
yeah, here you can able to see a structure only. It's not the
Okay.
table.
Okay.
Table means you have the data. Others also please listen carefully. Table means you have the data. Structure means it just a structure. It will not have any data at all. I will show you one table. Okay, I will show you one table. It's a standard table. So you have this icon here. But in structure, you will not able to see this icon at all.
Okay, so we can go to the table in a higher level from here also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the table. You can able to see here the transparent table. Clearly, it is mentioned here as transparent table.
Okay.
So if you want to check the data, just click on this one. And then if you know the data, just give something. If you don't know, means directly execute.
Okay.
It will take all the data available. Okay. But here the maximum entry is 5,000 only they are given. Okay. Because, sorry, 500. Because I mentioned maximum number of it 500. If you know some number means you can see this is called F4 help. Okay, it will help you to take some data. F4 help. Okay, take some data. Click on this one. If you want, you can take some data also between. If you want this data alone means you can give this alone. It will take only the data of this one. Who is created, what is created. Yes, very good. That's correct, Venkat. It's not, structure will not have data at all actually. Okay. So this is the table. And this is the structure. Okay, any other doubts? Tomorrow classes, we are going to create the table, okay? You know this table, right? Mala table. So as like Mala table, I can able to create an employee table. In that employee table, I have employee ID, all those things, I can able to store it, okay? Tomorrow class, we are going to create the table and store the data. Okay, today we are looking only the basics of Abap. Tomorrow, how to create the table, and upcoming classes onwards, taking the data from the table, processing it, looping it, all those things, we are going to learn it. Okay? Is it clear? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone any doubt in this coding tables? Sorry, codings and the structure. Tables will look later. Code and structure. Is it clear, right? That you can check with them. Actually, you will be this recording will be available. Actually, you can check with the learning team, and they will give you the recording, Mandeep. Every day's training will be recorded. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Now I want to print this hello world. One more thing I have to forgot to tell you. See, I don't want the second line at all. Okay, but I don't want to delete it. I may use it in future. Maybe after 1 week, I want to use it. In that case, what I can do, I can comment it. How to comment it? Control plus lesser than symbol. This star. Okay, this star will come. If you give this one means this code is not at all active. The thing which are in gray color is termed as not at all active. Okay. Then you can activate it so that you won't get that program, that line executed. See, I got only first line, third line, and fourth line. Second line, I have commented it. Okay, that I have commented it. So it will not show the, I am commenting everything. So you won't get it any output error because there is no right statement. So it will simply hold it. That's it. Okay. Yeah, uncomment. Uncomment is select all, control greater than symbol. That's it. Control greater than symbol. Or else you can delete that. You can just place the mouse pointer and delete it. Place the mouse pointer and delete it. This is called uncommenting. Very good. Okay. Okay. Yes, Shyam. Yes, Shyam, you can able to edit the table, Shyam. That is the main intention of this training. You have to play with the SAP, man. Voice is not clear?
Yeah, it's
Like,
clear now. It's clear now. Yeah. Thank you, brother.
yeah, okay. Yeah, you can uncomment it. Okay, how to uncomment it, I will tell. Okay. Just click on this one. Control greater than symbol. You have to play with greater than, lesser than symbol. Control greater than, lesser than to comment and uncomment. Okay. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. I have given right SAP Abap, activating it and executing it. I got SAP Abap. Okay. I want to print this for 2 times. What should I do? You just tell me you have to write the command. You have to write the command now. Pseudo logic. I don't want the SAP Abap command. Just give me some pseudo logic. I want to print it 2 times. Can you please try? Just try it in the chat window. See, you have to type. If you don't think that I may type wrong or not. No. If you're typing wrong means then only we can able to learn. Do the mistake and learn from the mistake. Okay. So nothing wrong in that. If you're doing the mistake, we can able to learn it. Okay. So don't think if I wrote something wrong, then what will happen? No, it's not at all the problem. Okay. I'm here only to teach you and correct the mistake. That's it. Okay. So just try to answer me. I want to type SAP Abap. Again, I want to, instead of here, I want the output SAP Abap, below also SAP Abap, and below also SAP Abap. 3 times SAP Abap, SAP Abap, SAP Abap. Tell me. Just tell me. See, just tell me. Just give a try. So no one willing to try. Use slash. Use slash. If I give slash means, if I give slash means, it will get like this only. Okay. Multiply by 3. No, multiply by 3, it won't work here. Right? 3. Yeah, that is, the way you are thinking was very, very good, actually. Okay. Way you are thinking was very, very good. But 3 is not at all a Abap command. Okay. 3 is not at all Abap command. So it's getting confused. Okay. That is also not work. Then repeat. Yeah. Easy way, right? This is telling me the easy way. Okay. Now, okay. Very good. Deepti is telling me the easy way. Very good. Now, question to Deepti and others. I want to type it for 100 times. What should I do now? I want to type it to 100 times. Yeah. So Sandhya, Sunil, you are correct. Okay. We have to go for loop. Repeat, repeat means also Sham. If you give a repeat means I have to type the same repeat multiple times, right? I want to do it for 100 times. Then what should I do? I have to go for loop command or recursive command. Very good. We'll try that. Loop command is only for data in the table. Loop command is only for data in the table. And recursive commands are nothing but doing something in the string. SAP Abap is a string, right? So we can do some recursive commands, okay? Okay. Do how many times? 10 times. What command? This command. Do 10 times SAP Abap. That's all. That's all. It will come 10 times. Whatever whatever you want, you can give here. Okay. How many times you want, you can give here. That's all. If I give you this slash, I will tell the importance of slash. If you remove this slash, so it will be coming in a single line only. Okay. So that is the importance of this slash. Okay. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt in this I statement and do statement? Is it clear? If you have any small doubt in minutes also, you can ask me. Okay.
So I have one question. Can I go ahead and ask?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So in this session, are we going to, is that these are the things of the basic level, or we need more to go ahead in the further sessions?
Yeah, we have to go a lot in the further sessions. This is very, very basic.
Okay. Okay. Then in that
Yeah.
case, it's clear.
Yeah, we have 45 days training plan in which we have to go lots of things. Okay. So you already know SAP is a version, right? So we have lots of things in SAP. So ABAP is like a heart. Okay. Yeah. Question by John. Yes, John. It's a single word. Endo. Okay. Endo is a single word. It's ABAP command. Okay. Between do and endo, it's ABAP command. It is which are all in the green color. Sorry, which are all in the blue color is termed as ABAP command. Which is in the green color is termed as a user command. Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Okay. Okay. Is it clear, right? Everyone is clear, right? Okay. I want everyone to get the SAP access as soon as possible. Please connect with the learning team and get the SAP. If you have SAP access tomorrow onwards, means it will be well and good. So that whenever I'm teaching, you have to write the coding and show me the output, or else you have to share the screen and write the program. Okay. So likewise, if that is the case, only you can able to learn. If I am teaching, you are just taking the notes, means it won't work. I want you to parallelly do the coding. Okay. So please do that. Please try to get the SAP access at least by tomorrow. Also, I will connect the learner team on this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let me go take the theory session now. Okay. Are you able to see the PPT?
Yes, we can able to see it.
Okay. Okay. So daily we'll be having theory part as well as practical session. Okay. Theory part I'll be covering the what topic I'm going to teach you today. That topic will be covered in the theory part, and then the practical work on the coding part. Okay. Okay. So what is ERP? Okay. What is ERP and what is why every companies are using SAP? Let us take Amazon. Okay. Let's take Amazon. In the Amazon, you're buying lots of product, right? So if Amazon is using SAP, how it will work? Okay, first, once if you want to buy the product in Amazon, first what we will do? First, what we'll do? See, I want to buy some laptop in the Amazon. First, what I will do?
Search the laptop and add it into the cart.
Yeah, actually, that is second step. Before that, you have only one step is there. Before that, what is that? You have the Amazon link. It will ask for username and password. Yeah. So if you give the username and password, it will allow you to log in. Okay. If you are giving the wrong password, what is the other message you got? It's an invalid user. It's invalid password, something like that. Do you know how it is happening? Okay. So let us consider Amazon is having the SAP. Okay. You are logging with the username and password. Once before that, you are doing some sign up, right? Before that, you are doing sign up. So SAP have multiple modules. What are the models we have? Already we have some of the model expert in this training, like SD, FICO, right? Similarly, we have lots of modules in SAP. Okay. HR module, module, SD module, FICO module. So similarly, we have multiple modules in SAP. Okay, if you log in means it will go to SAP HR table. We have SAP HR related activity table. There it will go and check whether the valid user is available or not. Okay, then it will allow you to log in. Very good. After that, who said the answer? That's what correct answer. Who said it?
It was me, Nishant.
Yes, Nishant. Very good. Yeah. So you will be taking the product, adding into the cart. So the product related all those things, the product, which product you are buying and having it into the cart, all those things comes under material management. Okay, we have table. Okay, so table is nothing but what are the materials available. For example, laptop, iPhone, charger, what else? What are the things which is available in the Amazon? All are stored in the separate tables that is related to Okay, so we're taking the data from the table and then giving for the display. Okay, this laptop is cost this much, all those things. Okay, after that you are ordering the product. Okay, which means you are ordering the product. That will comes under sales and distribution. You are selling the user. See, laptop has been sold by someone. Someone is selling the laptop to you, and you are buying it. It is the mutual understanding between the seller and the buyer. That will comes under SD. Okay, after you bought the product, after selecting the product, you are ready to buy for the product. Then what is the next step? What is the next step? Yes, checkout. Very good. So after checkout, so you mean to say checkout and payment will comes under? Yeah, very good. This will comes under which module? Any idea? This will comes under which module?
FICO.
Very good. FICO. Okay, it will comes under FICO. Very good. So FICO comes into picture and they will do all those things. And then the product will be delivered to the user. So delivery, we have a separate team for delivery and then it will deliver to you. I'm giving you only the basic modules. We have n number of modules in SAP. Okay. So under FICO, we will be having multiple modules. Under we have PP, all many modules comes into picture. Okay. SRM, CRM, we have many modules there. Okay. Okay. You are telling, you came to know what module is doing what work. Then where the Abap comes into picture here? Where is Abap? What is the Abap role? I am running the business. I'm running the business. is coming for materials, SD is coming for sales, and FICO is for selling, payment. Then where is HR is coming for username or password? Then where is Abap? I have not told anything about Abap. Where is Abap?
Maybe in customization of all the with different modules we can do. Means Abap comes like Abap helps in customizing other modules.
Yeah,
Maybe.
very good. Very good. Yeah, correct. I will tell. Yeah, very good. Basis team, basis team is nothing but they are the team which is taking care of all the SAP activities. Okay, they will be taking they will take care of the SAP system itself. Okay, I will tell that later. Basis team will not comes into the business scenario, but they are the main team which is taking care of the entire SAP. Okay, all the tables, username, password, basis and security. Okay, all those things will be taken care of by basis team only. Okay, very good. So I'm getting very good answers from many. Very good. Okay, so I will tell you where is Abap. For all those activity, Abap is the heart. Okay, without Abap, nothing will work because Abap is the heart of all the activity. For example, I asked you to log in with your username and password. So what you are given? You are given username and password. If you give the wrong password, you told me that you will get an error message like invalid password or invalid user. You get the message like that. How it is happening? At the back end, SAP Abap is playing the role. Okay. What SAP Abap is doing, select username and password from the UI screen, which means what you have entered. UI screen, and then compare that with the table data, because while sign up, you are given username password, right? That will be stored in the table. Okay. So it will select statement will compare your username and password with the table data. If size of bar is equal to 0, which means this, if it was successful, then it will allow you to log in. Else, it will throw the error message. Okay. Then you logged into Amazon. Then you are selecting the product. Okay. You are typing laptop. Now what will happen once you type laptop at the back end, select laptop from the laptop table with all the configuration, whatever it may be. You can give any.
We're not
Hello?
we are seeing only the first slide. Are you sharing any other
No,
screen?
I am just giving the introduction only. I have to go again. Okay. I'm just giving the introduction. Okay. Yeah. So once you log into the Amazon, you are selecting the product. That SAP Abap plays a role of taking the data from the table and give that to you and tell you this is the product available. Once you're clicking on that product, the counter reduces from 10 to 9. Again, 9 to 8, 8 to 7. At finally, 0 means it will throw the message, this product is not available in the portal. So there Abap plays a major role. Increment, it will check whether the decrement. It will check whether the count is decreasing. If the count is equal to 0, type message, this product is not available. Then comes into SD, it will go for sales order. Again, Abap comes into picture. FICO Abap comes into picture. So as Abap, we have to connect with all the modules because at the back end, Abap plays a major role. Is it clear now, all the modules? Is it clear? Any doubt? Before going to the slides? Yeah, it's a programming, man. Just know, right? We wrote the program, right, John? This is the programming language connecting with all the modules. It is a programming language of SAP. I can say Abap is the heart of SAP because it's connecting to all the modules. Okay, any other doubt? Any other doubt? Anyone, any other? Is it clear first? I am telling some modules and how the Abap has been integrated. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay.
Up to.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Okay. So as I said earlier, so these are the some of the ERP systems which you have. Okay. So ERP is nothing but to run the business. For example, you can take any business. Okay. Not only Amazon. If I want to run my biryani business, I want to run the biryani business. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to open the shop of biryani business. So I can take the SAP, I can buy the SAP, and then I can store the biryani related activities in the right? So what kind of biryani? It's a vegetarian or non-vegetarian. What kind of product it had been used? What kind of vegetables it had been used? That will be stored, okay? And then I'm going to create a biryani final product and then deliver to which person. And then I can integrate with Swiggy or Zomato. The person will pick the delivery, all those things, okay? So as I told you, right, once you log in, you will be having the MMSD in the Amazon, many people are buying the many product. In the fraction of second, I can see n number of people are buying the product. Okay. If I am ordering the laptop, I'm getting the same laptop. It is not get changed. Okay. Even though many people are buying the many product, you are buying a product. For that product only you are paying. That product only delivered to you. So you mean to say your user ID, once you log into user ID, if you select the product, if you are buying the product payment, delivery, everything has been interlinked in a single line. How it is interlinked? It's only a one-word answer. Everything has been interlinked with a single line. How it is interlinked? If you have the Amazon, if you have any Amazon box with you now, means you can check on that. You have the solution for that. In the Amazon, they have pasted something, right? Your user ID, sorry, your address. Yeah, order ID, very good. So that is order ID. So technically, we can tell it as primary key connection. It's a primary key connection between all the table. Okay, all the tables are connected via primary key. So the select statement at the back end fetch the data using primary key only. As a Abap, we are going to write the program using primary key. Very good. So I'm giving you 10 points to you, Sunil. Yeah. So these are the models which is have in SAP. Okay. See, ERP, we have n number of ERP. In the world, we have n number of ERP, but many users, all the users are choosing only SAP only. Okay. Any idea why? We have, see, PeopleSoft, we have Salesforce, many things we have, right? But all the companies are choosing SAP only. Any idea why? To run the business. For example, if I run my biryani business also, instead of going for other ERP, I choose SAP. Any idea? Just give me some hint. Yeah, very good. All are correct answer. Real time. Yes, very good. All the model assessment is very good. Excellent. Integration with all the models. Very good. Yeah, very good. Let me tell it in a simple way. Okay. In my shop, in my biryani shop, I'm selling a biryani. That biryani is cost to 300 rupees. Let's take 300 rupees. So I am giving biryani along with biryani. We will be having some additional thing, right? What are the raita and then what else? What are the things we'll be giving along with biryani?
Dessert kind of thing.
Yeah, that's it kind of thing. Chutney. Oh man, Mandeep, you will be having chutney with biryani. Let me try that, Mandeep. Okay, so we'll be having dessert kind of things, right? Many things will be salad, pickles. That's a package. They're giving it a package. Okay, so I am giving as a package. I'm giving as a package for 300 rupees. That is one shop. Another shop, they're selling. They have an option to buy only biryani for 200 rupees and then salad for 50 rupees and then chutney or whatever you want. That is for 50, 50, 50, 300 rupees. That is also comes under 300 rupees. So for that one, what you have to do, you have to go for 4 to 5 shops to buy your requirement. Okay, this is the single shop for all the products. That's a package. And next one is like you have to go and take the product in different shops and buy it. Biryani and then the corresponding things, you have to buy it. So which one you will choose? Shop A or shop B? Shop A is selling as a single product with all those things for 300. For shop B and all, you have multiple shops you have to choose. B, C, D and get the data. I mean, get the biryani and the corresponding salads. Yeah, because we'll take a single one so that it will be time save. It will be very easy for us. Okay. It will be integrated with everything. Okay. They will give correct food. Okay. For this biryani, this salad only good. If I buy the biryani in some other shop and buying some other salad, it won't match at all sometimes. Okay. For this biryani, I can have someone salad means that salad only choose for it. That dessert only choose for it. Okay. So this shop will give the package which know which will be integrated and which will work for a person. Similarly, SAP is integrated with all the business solution in a single package and give it to the customer. I repeat, SAP is integrated as a single package and give that to the customer so that there is no need of a customer to go for some other softwares for running the business. Buy the SAP, run the business, get the profit. That's it. Yes, very good. That is the purpose of SAP. Very good. So this is the overview of SAP and ERP. Okay. So we have to handle 3 C's. Okay, customer, competition, and change in order to survive in the business. Okay, what is customer? We should get lots of customer. Okay, and then competition. If I am opening a biryani shop, another person is also opening the biryani shop, then he is my competitor. Change. I should change according to the technology. Okay. See, earlier, before 2009 and all, we have Orkut. Then I think many of them doesn't know Orkut now, right? Then it changes into Facebook. Then it changes now into it. Even nowadays, many of them are not using Facebook at all. Now what everyone is using? Instagram. So the technology is changing. Excuse me. So the technology is changing. Based on the technology change, you are adapting to that change. Okay. So in order to run your ERP, you should have to maintain these 3 C's: customer, competition, and change. Okay. Based on the technology and based on the customer requirement and based on the competition. Okay. So this is the introduction to ERP. Okay, why it has been introduced, and we have some limitations also. No need to go to limitations because limitations are now we as of now we don't have any limitations at all actually. Okay, so these are some of the ERP: SAP, Microsoft, Oracle, PeopleSoft, Oracle, JDE, and BAN. Some of them. Along with this, we have n number of ERPs. Okay. So what is the full form of SAP? System, applications, and product. Okay, the general purpose platform that enables system configure as per the specific need of each customer. I am running the business of biryani, so I should have the table which store the data of biryani. If someone is no, it's not better than SAP. See, each and everything is something different. You're not able to compare Oracle, SAP, and other things. Okay, Mandeep? Yeah. So if I am running the biryani business in the material management, what all things I should store? The table. Let's try to answer for this one. If I am running the biryani business in the table, I want to add the product. Okay, which part I'm using? What is the materials required for creating the biryani? So I have to use it. So just give me some few hint. What all things I can store it? Yeah, maybe rice, vegetables, all those things, right? Yeah, maybe rice, vegetables, all those things. Okay. If I am running the flower shop, then what I should do? I should not use for rice, vegetables. I have to go for types of flowers like rose, lotus, jasmine. All those details will be stored. Okay. So the content and the data will be differ for the different customers. That is what is specified here. That is what specified here. Based on the different customer, they can store it and they can use it. You can run this SAP for any business. Any business, you can use this SAP. A series of integrated business models for data processing. A series of integrated core business modules. All the business modules are integrated. A set of functions that implement best business practices. All the functions have a set together to run the business. We have client-server connection, client and server process. Okay, and this is the software used for it. So no need to go to this slide because it's just an overview of how the SAP has been migrated. Okay, they introduced 1970 to 79, we have introduced it, and then 89, 99, and 2000. Okay, now we are using cloud. Everything now comes on the cloud, HANA cloud. Okay, so now we are using cloud only. So it is introduced in 1972 in Germany. It's not 13,000 companies. Nowadays, many companies are using, and almost half of the world, that's correct, half of the world are using SAP only. Okay.
Sir, I have a quick question here.
Yes.
Can I go ahead?
Yeah, sure.
So you said it's in almost in cloud. So ABAP, we have two versions as well, on-premise and cloud as well.
Yes, we have on-premise and
Yeah.
cloud.
Okay, got
Yeah.
it. So in this training, we are going to learn with on-premise.
On-premise and along with HANA. Yes, correct. Along with
Okay.
HANA coding.
All right, sir.
Yeah. If you learn HANA coding means you can use that in the cloud also. That's not the so basically what we are learning ECC and HANA in this training. Okay. So I will send this document to every one of you. Just go through it, okay? And these are the some of the modules. As I said, all those modules are integrated to each other. Okay. Any questions? Anyone have any question?
One more question I am having.
Yes, sure. Yes.
So don't we have any presentation for the ABAP basics?
Yes, we have.
Because I'm totally new to the technical part. I'm into a functional team, so I'm new to this technical part. Want to learn from the scratch. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I will send that document also. And one
Sure,
more
sir.
thing is, the main intention of this program is for hands-on. I am giving lots of importance to hands-on only. Okay. So once you got the SAP access, I want everyone should do the hands-on. Okay. After the training also, if you got some time, just do lots of hands-on. Okay. So if you're doing hands-on means you can easily understand ABAP. Okay. I will send the document also. Just go to the document. But I can say document can help you only 30%. Hands-on will help you more than 70%. If you do the hands-on, it will be very, very useful for you. Okay. So I'm giving lots of importance to hands-on only for this training. Okay. So once you got the SAP access, I want all of you to do the hands-on. Okay. I will give you the requirement how to do all this. Yes, see, we have two options. One is via Eclipse, and another one is via ADT tool. Okay. So we are writing the coding in Eclipse as well as in the Abap development toolkit. Okay. Okay. Any other doubt?
Pradeep, one thing, I am a TM consultant.
Okay.
So in this nowadays it's working on BOBF. So we will be going in depth in BOBF.
Actually, we are not going in depth in BOBF, but we are giving some introduction. And if you take a BOBF topic, means then it will be lots of topics are there in the BOPF. So this is ABAP training, so I have to give some only the basics of the BOPF.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is BOBF? I'm sorry because I'm bit the new.
Yeah, it's for running. It's for transport management and all, for running the business. It's like integration. Okay, it's like integration to different systems to transfer the data, basically.
No, the abbreviation, please. BOBF. Is it something like a BAPI or like what do you call it? Like
I'm not sure on that actually. We just have BOPF. That's it.
BOBF. Okay, that's an ABAP program, huh?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you want to learn BDC? Yes, Ahmed, you will be learning BDC also. Yeah, that's the BOPF, Business Object Programming Framework. Yeah.
So Sham, you did TM from Sastrageek or some outside?
No, I did. I was a consultant earlier, sir.
You did from our Sastrageek company or which company?
Yeah, Shastragi is also I was a part actually, but previously also I was a consultant.
Oh, okay. So you learned from them only, this TM, because even I'm planning to learn, so that's why I'm asking you this question.
Okay. Any other doubt?
So by the end of this course, we'll be having fresher knowledge or beyond like 2 years knowledge. What do you
Yes,
say?
I can say you can have almost 2+ years of knowledge.
Okay.
Because we are going to cover all those things in the ABAP. Okay, from the scratch to till the how we are doing the project. Okay, so at the end of this training, I will giving some project work also. Okay, so after completing this training, you can able to tell like 2+ years of experienced person. Likewise, you will be getting the knowledge. But you have
Because
to.
because I'm an SD consultant, so I'm trying to be techno-functional. So is it good for me to learn this? Is because
See, it's very good for you to learn actually. Okay, techno function is the hottest thing in the market, right? So it's very good for you to see. There's no need of you to depend on Abap. If, for example, you're an SD consultant, you had some issue. If you want to debug the program, something went wrong. Basically, all of see as a how we are working, functional and technical together. We are working, right? So if you know Abap means you can directly debug the program and then you can find out the issue for this problem and find out the solution for it. Okay, so if you know the Abap with the techno functional is a very good thing actually, very good platform you have chosen. Yeah.
oh, okay. So is there any, I mean, when will be go? I mean, the whole product, this is aimed at techno-functional or only like how is this like from when we'll start that modules of interdependence, integration and all?
Yeah, that will come in the middle of this training actually.
No, I
Okay.
mean in the same mastery course or expertise or advanced course, guys.
No, I'm not getting a.
Excellence, like you have ABAP excellence, ABAP mastery, right?
Yeah.
So is it mastery?
No, sir. For Abap, we don't have this mastery and excellence. In this, we have Oops Abap and Abap Core Blueprint and Abap on HANA.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Okay.
So that's the agenda of this training. Okay, so basics of Abap along with the OOPS concept and HANA coding. Okay, fine. Any other questions?
Okay, I have one last question, sir.
Yeah, sure.
So with this, after completing is this of training, so as I'm working with a functional team, so I'll be able to perform like in-depth analysis of the issue and able to fix it by debugging, correct?
Yeah, sure. You can.
Got
You
it,
can.
sir. Got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. If you don't have any questions, you can leave for the day. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And I have shared the link to enroll in the training. If someone is not enrolled yet, you can enroll in the training to attend the next session.
Sir, as I think Sastrageek support, he has mentioned some like OOPS and all those concepts in Abap. Like what else is remaining in Abap? Like what uh, what kind of other languages to be learned if you have to be prominent in Abap?
That's enough, Sunil. Actually, see, what you are learning is like a complete basement of Abap. You will be learning everything in the Abap. Okay. So if you have this knowledge, means you can able to work on the project also. Okay. So I am teaching you the basics of Abap and then O Abap and then HANA Abap. So if you have these three knowledge, means you can able to run. You can able to work on the project also. Okay. See, for example, I'm teaching you how to join two tables using inner join. Okay, I will be teaching you how to join two tables. If in the project, you will get in the requirement of joining 4 tables. So what you will do, you can take one inner join, again one inner join and join together. That's it. So what you are learning is you are going to implement that in your project with additional knowledge. That's all. So if you're learning this 45 days training program is well enough for you to work in the project, I can give that assurance.
Yes, sir. And what about the Fury and the UI5? Do Abap languages using it on those platforms also?
Yes, we have Fury and UI5, but that's a separate training actually. They have a separate team to teach that. In this training, I will be giving you only the overview of Fury and UI5.
Okay. So
Yeah.
before going for UI5 and Fury, one must have a base of Abap, and that is what you are delivering.
Yes,
in
correct.
this course.
Yeah, very good. Correct. Yeah. you know this basic ABAP coding language means you can able to survive anywhere. UFI, Fury, anything you can do it. Fury comes under the app creations. UFI is nothing but the coding part where
Sir,
it's
one more question. Many of us are like from the engineering background, but from the non-computer science background. So is it necessary to learn like C, C++, something like that,
no,
or
nothing.
okay?
Yeah, in the demo session stuff, I already told. When compared to other coding language, ABAP is a very, very easy language. Okay, very, very easy language. If you know English, you can write ABAP. That's all. Because it's a direct connection between a SAP and the user. Okay, the coding will be very user understandable format. You can easily understand it. There's no that much complex at all. So no need of you to no need of anyone to come from some other should have some basic coding language. Nothing is you can come from civil department, you can come from mechanical department, you can learn ABAP. It's a very easy language, I can say.
Hello, Pradeep, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir, as Ashwin said, as a functional consultant, we are trying to become a techno-functional so that we are not dependent on the technical team. So, as you said, you will be giving the overview of BOB of structure. So, is that will be enough to just to understand and navigate through the BOB of structures and uh, help guide the technical team wherever the enhancements is required? Or
Yeah,
I need to go in depth?
that's enough for you. See,
Yeah.
what I'm giving is just a basement only.
Okay.
Okay, in the BFPF, and then you have to once you got the project working on the project, you will be learning it based on the basement only. You are going to learning it.
Learning. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it. Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone have any other doubt?
Yeah, thank you. I mean, that's all from my side. I mean, no
Yeah. Okay.
doubts.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, fine. Okay, I will get you email IDs from the learning team, and then I mail you the every day. I'll be mailing you the document. Okay, and also the assignment. Okay, so you have to do that. Even I'll be teaching you how to do the assignment and all. Okay, and every weekend, maybe not weekend, every week at the end of the week, I will be giving you the examination. It will be theoretical as well as practical. Okay, we have to do that as well. Yeah. Okay. If no questions, we can end this meeting. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
So thank you everyone for the joining, and we have a session tomorrow. Please enroll before.